Good afternoon,
So how's
ma'am.
everybody doing right now?
Doing stress.
Wow.
Stress.
Feeling stress?
Feeling
Laban
stress.
sa ulo, ma'am.
Okay, so dapat excited.
Excited.
Para mawala ang stress. So let's have now the last procedure, which is transfer technique. Where you're going to transfer the patient from one place to another place. And the next is the ambulation technique. Wherein you're going to assist the patient to walk by his own. So all you have to do is you're going to provide support. So the first will be transferring patient. So meaning to say you're going to move the patient from one area, from bed to wheelchair, and then from wheelchair to commode. Then after that, you're going to tell the assessor that you're going to assist the patient to walk. So this is the ambulation technique. So bali, for example, umana mo sa transferring patient from bed to wheelchair, then wheelchair to commode. So pag tindog na sa patient, i-inform mo ang assessor na mo yung perform a procedure is ambulation technique, wherein you're going to assist the patient to walk, going to the patient's bed. So transfer can be viewed as a safe movement, wherein you're going to transfer the patient from one place to another, from one surface to another. So this is very important because this will train your patient to become independent. So allowing the patient to move will promote motion of the muscles, the joints, that will promote patient's ability to become independent from the caregiver. So this is very important because this will allow the patient to move in one area or to be independent, and then allow him to be in different environment. So for example, sa bedroom, and then ato na po siya sa outside, sa living room, or ika na po sa living room, ato na po siya sa outside sa iyang balay, sa veranda, di ba? So mo siya a good opportunity nga the patient will be placed in different environment. Okay, and then of course, this is also important because this will increase the level of independency of the patient. So, dili na siya always mag-depend sa caregiver. So, that's siya a chance nga able siya by his own, but make sure that the patient is safe. You just watch or observe the patient or assist the patient. Okay, and then this is also important because this will promote proper functioning of the heart, or the cardiovascular system, and the respiratory system. The lungs will expand fully to get some oxygen and to remove carbon dioxide from the body. So moving your patient or transferring the patient or mobilizing the patient is also important because this will prevent complications of immobility. So if the patient will be on the bed for 24 hours or even more than 24 hours, this will promote some complications, Like sa mga complications kung magsigirag ka ang pasyente.
Bed
The bed
sores.
sores. What else? Isa pa. This
Ah.
will cause the muscles to shrink,
Shrink.
It will cause atrophy.
Foot drops.
Okay, what will happen to the patient's joints?
Mga mukulo, mga anak
Maspir,
mga.
No, maspir. Hindi na niya ma-move. So, infections will also occur in the lungs like pneumonia. Muna, mas maayo i-mobilize yun na to ang pasyente. Palihok-lihok, ipa-transfer yun. Kung able to walk, ipa-walk din ang patient. Okay, so this will also promote elimination of the urine and stool. Okay, for example, mas dili siya dugay, magka-constipate ang patient. Dili proper ang iyang pagkalibang. So, mas maayo nga magluglo para maka-promote yung proper digestion sa body, sa iyang process sa gut, and then maka-promote yun o eliminations of the urine and stool. So, those are the purposes, na ano ato ipa-mobilize ang patient. Okay, so but remember, since this is very delicate siya, that can cause injury or accident if you're not going to properly assist the patient, make sure to always observe safety precautions. So, sa mga safety precautions nga itong i-observe well, kung na yung mga rules and regulations sa hospital, ato i-follow. No, kaya kabalo mas na mga importante na. Okay, and then of course, you have to be observant of your patient's capacity or abilities to move. For example, if one side is weaker than the other side, always support the weak side. No? And then, with regards to the wheelchair, proper placement of the wheelchair, then safety use of the wheelchair must be observed. So, i-check na po ang wheelchair kung paano ba, hindi ba, ugo ba, functional ba, okay? So, na siya kompleto, considering kompleto niya, na siya ipapuan, support dili sa side, and 6 straps, no, for patient safety. So, you have to check that the wheelchair is in position at the good side. So you can encourage the patient to transfer by placing the wheelchair in a 45-degree angle facing at the good side area. Okay, and then try to check also your ability to assist the patient. So your skills, you must practice proper body mechanics, no, in order to prevent injury to the patient and to yourself. Okay, and then you have to check also the ABC of your patient. What is ABC?
Airways.
Circulation.
Breathing, circulation.
Check sa nimo yung hangkuan, kasi kalisod siya na obstruction sa iyang airways, or the patient has problem in breathing, or basig na ay problem sa circulation sa blood. So muna yung i-check na before. So ask the patient to state if she feels dizzy or not. Kaya basig kahit na siya for pila ka days, and then palit na siya of seat, malipo ang pasyente. So every time you assist your patient, always ask if she feels dizzy or not. Okay, and then in case na siya mga attachments like catheters, sa pa oxygen,
IVM.
sa pa kuan,
IVM.
sa pa na pa siya yung colostomy, or na pa siya yung mga daghay mga attachment, no, na pa yung GT, tube, diba? So make sure that these attachments are properly placed, no, before you assist
Tinan ka?
to sit
Kompleto.
to prevent accidental sa wala kasi
Mabalhin pa ka, no? Hindi na siguro.
Okay, basta hanay kung yung mga attachments, and then always watch also for the patient's cues, sa iyang facial expression, kaya basi galiso na siya o ginawa, or na siya lipong na siya, then wala lang yun siya niya kasulti, no? Hindi siya ka-express, kaya maulos siya. So imuhang yung sabton niya po may mga cues, may mga urag mag-isod yun siya, ipabalik siya po.
Higda.
Okay, and then of course, always support the patient at the affected side. Do never leave your patient unattended. Okay, and then do not allow do not leave the patient. Kasi imuhang i-leave.
Asahon.
Usod. So, feeling mo gaan na sa bukat may natong mga patient. So you try to know your strength, no? Try to check the weight of your patient. Makaya ba nimo? Then if necessary to ask assistance, so ask someone to assist you during the transfer technique, transfer procedure. Okay, then let's review the parts of the wheelchair. So what do you call this one? Hand grip.
Hand grip.
And this one, say
And brake.
brake.
Hand brake.
Okay, this one, this is the back rest.
Bed rest.
Okay,
Backrest.
the
Armrest.
the
Armrest.
Okay. So this one, wala na pong ligid ani kini. This is the large wheel.
Large wheel.
Kini, this is the hand rim.
A hand rim. Yes.
Rim na siya, rim.
Hand rim.
Hand rim na siya.
Kahuiran man na.
Muna siya mo i-push.
G-R-I-N?
Hand rim. Rim. R-I-M.
Rim.
Rim.
R-I-M.
R-I-M. Kini grip.
Grip.
Kini hand grip. Okay, and then we have also leg support, and then the foot plates.
Foot plate.
And then the small wheels or the caster.
Caster.
No, please memorize the parts of it. Siguro, I don't know kung question mo, but this is in case you will be asked about the parts. So be ready na lang. Okay? So, that's it. You're going to present this one. Make sure to, of course, just summarize na lang the general procedure. So just, of course, you do your introduction, and then definition, what is transfer, and then what are the purposes, and then the safety precautions. So always give me one safety precautions. So for example, if you're going to walk, for the ambulation ambulation. So ambulation, this is simply assisting the patient who is walking by himself, no? Complete siya. Just assist the patient, then make sure there are no obstructions in the area. The floor is dry, not wet. And then, for example, kini imong wheelchair, transfer naman ang patient sa commode, imo na din siyang i-place sa side, padaplin ninyo para din siya may obstruction. Okay? So, make sure the area is clear, and then of course, you have to support the patient either with maximal support or minimal support. Kung maximal support, of course, you're going to assist the patient sa affected side, and then you're going to hold the patient's arm. So, ask the patient to put the arms at your waist, at your shoulder, no? Kung pares mong height, shoulder. Kung taas si Kwan, patient, ikaw mubo ka, of course, this is shoulder. Pero kung taas si caregiver, mubo si patient, there is just a waist support. Okay? So, palihog na po. And then, of course, you're going to perform the procedure. So, check for the delegation, and then read the chart, into the room, wala na materials. Sa mga materials na gamiton. Of course, prepare the wheelchair, prepare also the shoes of your patient, and actually footwear, good. Okay, and then the patients, I'm going to transfer belt. Okay? So the gate belt or the transfer belt, you're going to assist the patient to transfer. Gate belt, you're going to assist the patient to walk. So considering now that we are in the working phase of our procedure, so make sure the patients understand what to do. Explain to the patient that you're going to be that you're going to assist the patient to transfer from from bed to wheelchair. So considering that the patient has left paralysis. So left paralysis as iyahang kuan. Muni iyang affected side, diba? So pag mulingkod si Karel, mumani iyang affected, so naadali ang good side. So therefore, we're going to place the wheelchair at the right side of the patient. So don't forget to lock the wheels, no, for patient safety. Always lock the wheels of the wheelchair and then sway out the footrest. So before the patient will be transferred, so you can sway out. So consider na sway out position. So do not use your hand to sway out. Okay, and then of course don't forget to greet your patient. Good morning. So how's your day? So are you ready to transfer? Are you ready to go to Gmall?
Gmall.
So
Gmall, get
considering now that you have already read the chart, and then knowing that the patient has now the ability to sit and to stand, no, able na siya. And then of course you have to always keep the bed in the lowest position. So tanan nga procedure, di ba, close to your COG. Pero on transfer, you have to maintain the bed in the lowest position so that when the patient is in sitting position, the feet of the patient will lie flat on the floor. Dili siya maghang. Kaya kung taas, maghang man yan tiil. Pero kung kuan, flat lang ang lowest ang bed, so paglingkod niya, so the patient's feet is flat on the floor, and then there is proper positioning also of the patient's foot. So the affected area is the left foot. So therefore, if you're going to put the left, position the foot, make sure that it is placed forward siya. So muna siya forward, maglingkod ko forward, and then the good is in line with the patient's body, head. So imo ni siya ikuan. Make sure na ang iyahang isa ka tiil in line with the patient's body. Okay, so later ako ni Okay, so remove the top sheet. So just roll the top sheet at the foot part. Okay, and then prepare the transfer belt and then also the shoes of your patient. So dapat yung footwear ha, kapag yung na-grip para dili siya madigyas. No? Okay. And then, dito yung space para nakituan. If the patient is far from the working side, so you move the patient by
Segment.
Okay. Pero kani okay naman yung position. So just mention ha. And there are different ways to assist the patient no, in to sitting position. So if the head of the bed can be adjusted, so mo sa siya ipa-Fowler's position. Kung naka-Fowler's position siya, paliw na go adjust. Kung maka-Fowler's mo siya, no? Hindi balik.
Fowlers na nga. Kanisa day, kanina eh.
Okay. So, Fowler's position. So, kung wala ani, dali na kaya nato siya mapalingkod. Okay. So, thank you. So, since this is the affected side, you're going to assist this, place this over the lap, no? Para dili mapiyaan. Kaya kasi dili mapiyaan. Okay. And then, the affected foot will be placed over. Okay. So, this one, you can ask the patient no, to push on the bed no, for patient's participation. Para na-push siya kusog na makuan. Okay, all you have to do is you're going to assist the upper side. Okay, and then this one you're going to guide up the leg to dangle. Okay. 1, 2, 3. Okay, so do you feel dizzy? Okay, no, wala patient. So that's it. So another technique, balik na po. If the bed cannot be positioned to Fowler's position, so imo na gyud siya ko ano, i-raise sa nimo siya ipas up sa nimo patient to long sitting position. So for example, ano niya ang position sa iyang leg. Okay. So you can also teach the patient no to put the affected over the unaffected side. So all you have to do, you're going to, for something, you're going to flex your leg, the unaffected leg, and then place this under the So the patient will cradle the affected leg. So that the patient will become independent. Kaya atong purpose mo is to promote independency. No? Okay, and then this one, position the affected over. Okay, and then ask the patient to use the good arm to assist for sitting position, and then place your support here under the upper back area. Okay, and then 1, 2, 3. Okay, so ipalong sitting sa siya, and then assist the leg down. Okay. But if the patient can able to automatically put in sitting position, pwede na gyapon. Okay, fine. So, ano yung position? A cradle, balik. Okay, affected. Okay. So, ano gyapon? 1, 2, 3. Okay, so pwede na siya. Pero sa inyo na lang, considering na, of course, kung abi ang patient, katong gradual lang na from supine, then long sitting, then inyo na assist ang leg, the dangle. So, ano na siya. Katulad ka-second, muna na ito yung gamiton. Okay. So, that's it. And then, you're going to assist the patient, place first the belt.
Sa likod.
Gusto mo sa likod. Ano talaga? Yung mama dito sa parang. Hindi mo kasunod ka balus. Okay, so hey, are you okay? Do you feel dizzy? Wala na daw. Maya, susmogyo niya ako ang waist atong fetus pa ko. Sana all, wala ko kaging na ano yun. Okay, sukad-sukad bi, pag abot ako elementary, wag ma-remember ko na ako, hawak ko na, sunod 57 na rin. Lagi, karunawan na, 40 na. Okay. Laway, sa manig sobraan niya, kadaghan ba ni sobraan?
Sa likod ka mo ba, mag-inom ka?
Wala ni ipan. Okay. And then, inform the patient that you're going to place him at the at the edge of the bed. So, kan siya i-forward. So, asa yung affected? Mo yung affected, no? Okay. So, before the patient will stand, so ask the patient to lean forward first during, before standing, and then place the affected, okay, this is mag-shoes sa day kasi mag-shoes na lang. Okay. So, place the affected, this is the affected, this is forward, and then this is placed behind. Okay. So, then the caregiver will assist the affected. Dayon, support the knee. Okay. So, asa man tayo muhang kuan? Mo man imuhang affected. Hindi, pwede nini mo ibutang diri ka mo. Okay. Ano din mo? Ipa-lean siya forward and then count 1, 2, 3. Okay. And then, you're going to ask the patient to move towards you. Pwede na ni-move ka down. Okay, ask the patient if she feels the edge of the wheelchair before sitting. Okay, do you feel the edge of the wheelchair? Okay, 1, 2, 3. So, you can also encourage the patient not to grasp the armrest while approaching to the wheelchair. So, kung napadulong pa siya, pwede na siya mag-unitary form or support. Okay? And then, paano siya? I-move, properly place the patient to the wheelchair area by, of course, assisting the patient to sit properly. 1, 2, 3. And then, you can also encourage the patient to put the foot at the over the foot plate area. So you elevate, see, yung siya ikuan. Siya, asa to affected? Ini affected. Sige, isa ka diri. Assist ni siya.
Yes,
Assist. Ana. Okay, that's it. So, encourage siya upon ma-independent ang patient. So, unlock. And then, assist the patient towards the commode. Where's the commode? Akala ka na nito. Okay, make sure you know how to drive the wheelchair. Do not avoid push and pull. Galing mo siyang i-push. Dito ko man, iwala mo siyang i-pull. Push, pull, mo siyang i-pull. Lipo ng patient. So for example, ang affected, di ba, kuan? Ang left side. So dapat yung right side na towards commode. So kung ano yung right side, so di mo lang ikuan lang yan. Dili siya lapit. Okay. So, dapat i-estimate na nimo nga kung pag-drive nimo sa wheelchair, kana maka-position na dayon siya 90 degrees towards the commode. So, for example, kunani,
bangkog na din nalipong to si Rosalia.
Oo. For example, diba, kaya na siya gabay dito. Hindi pa, pangalan na. Hindi mo
park
siya
na rin.
ma-estimate mang good. For example, ana, dili na ka. Ana na rin ka. Then, mukod siya. Para, yapon. Then, ala lang.
Parking.
Then, ala lang po. Naliko ang pasyente. So, kung na-estimate na niya daan, like, medipas kayo pa. Okay. So, naaman ang kuan. For example, mo man ang good, di ba? Yun yung estimate na turn ninyo. Ayun, dili. Turn gamay siya pa. Reverse. Go.
Okay.
No? Okay. So, mag-practice mo ani both sides sa kung ganyan
Miles
na
from drive.
affected man. So, mag-practice mo kung right paralysis ang patient. Okay, ang position sa wheelchair mo, very mo na siya good. Lahi po na imuhang support, iba ganina din. Kaya mo ibutang dali, nakakadali. So pag wala po, kasi sa po mo, kung wala siya ang problem niya, hindi na po dali ang affected, hindi na po yung push. Okay. Dili na gyapon. Dili na po ng wheelchair. Kaya pag kasi rin na lang na. Di ba, mo man siya ang iyang decision ganina, mo man siya ang problema, dahil ang wheelchair. So, kung dali na po ng kuhan, iyan ang affected, para na po siya.
Tas diri
Yeah, ma'am, sir.
Dali ang wheelchair.
Ma'am, sa pagbangon niya, ma'am, naman ito ang affected sir, right? So,
Oo.
mabahinabot ka sa pikas.
Dili na nagyapon ka. Mula kayo mo assist. Tao, di ba? Naanak na siya. So, kini na po di. Ikaw lang yung mag-anak. Sino nagyapon yung posisyon? Ang iya ang posisyon sa kamot. Okay, of course, kung dili lang ko di siya sa side, and then sis, nakuan. Ay na madalag ko din. Okay, and then, what tayo kuan? Natay palibog towel. Is get a towel. So, ang towel na,
Nag-iibot
para
siya.
dali na siya ma-open. Ito na lang siya.
Matik.
Parang mo ko ano, butterfly folding, no?
Oh, nana.
So, di ba, anak na siya. Dali sa center.
Ah.
Palibig mo.
Ah, wala siya yung butterfly.
Kaya ano, balikan mo siya ma-open. So, for example, gaanan na siya. Hindi ko gaanan. Okay. Okay. Position niya na makadali. Kung asa ka, lapit na kuhan, hear it. So, lock the wall chair. Diba, nakalock na na. So, tell the patient that you will be assisting her to transfer, no? And make sure the patient understands what we're going to do. Kaya basig ba, confused siya. Malibog siya sa iyong bukhang. Okay, so, inform the patient to put the foot down. Okay, assist. Okay, and then swing out.
Budi ka kay pasyente. Indians kayo.
Ini siya yung
Okay, so we scoot forward.
Good.
Okay, and then sa position sa iya affected.
Ang kuan man to.
Affected is it forward. Ana, sakto ni? Okay. Then asa to yung affected? This one. 1, 2, 3. Okay, move towards. So ang imong panhap dapat naka-assist yung kawis sa.
Di ba? Left man to yung 15.
Okay, do you feel the edge of the
Ano?
chair? Okay,
Oo.
1, 2, 3.
Nalibog.
Get the pili, di ba? Open na siya na. Consider lang na kay remove na ang kuan. Ang iyahang gate belt, ha? Okay, and then sige. And of course, give your patient time to desiccate. So consider nga, muna po yung transfer from wheelchair to kubo. So transfer
Pero na pa siya sa bed, ma'am. Gihubuan na siya o kuan.
isa. Dili, mo siyang ipakuan yun. Wala na yung posisyon. Wala na yung posisyon. Ipakuan siya gamay. Ang kuan, mo siyang ipa-stand gamay. Ayun. Imo na yung down ang wedge. Ang kuan.
Yan, sinina.
Sige,
Shorts.
pajama.
Pajama.
Kaya gusto mo sa una, nagtindo pa ang patient, amo nagipa ubuan pero gi-correct man ni sir nga mas safe man gud daw kung galing ko ng patient.
Dili makita dire.
Oh, yung mo siya gipuan na gipuan. Kasi ay na na pag dili na ta magkuan na mag-buzzer kaya ato ang showman is a transfer technique. Oh, pero kung trabaho na mo makabalo na mo ana sa idea mo na naon din, no? Kaya ako patient sa una kay kuan palingkod na mo din ipaana ra man ako siya kay makaya pa man niya. Amo na rin i-down yung pajama din. Dire na po sa ilalo. Okay, so another procedure is asking the patient to walk by his own. So provide safety precautions. So make sure to place
Sin ko aning panahon na, guys.
wheelchair away from your area. So make sure the floor is dry, not wet. There are no obstruction. Then provide proper support by giving maximal and minimal support. Okay. So, how much mo affected? Kani mo affected. So, always stay kasi affected side. So, considering na humana to siya o kaning clean, so ready na ang patient to walk. So, you have prepared also the gate belt. So, gate belt na ang tawag ani, hindi na transfer belt. Gate belt na. So, position the leg. This is backward, then this is forward. Okay. So, kini, pwede man hindi mo siya i-assist dire, pero tendency kasi mo kuan. Pero kung makaya rin mo gunitan, pwede rin mo. Pero kung dili, kini kini pwede na po na siya yan sa side para siya na siya forced to stand. Okay, then count 1, 2, 3. Okay. Pajama. Okay, dali na yung kawang support. So, imong tigil ha, always with the support. So, kini mo mali affected. Pwede ni siya for maximal support. Imong ni ipa-place diri sa shoulder ni mo. Gunitan. Ana ang support. Gunit ka diri sa belt. So, this is maximal support. Ang minimal support, diri lang siya sa side. Ang arm sa patient, then diri ka sa front of back mo support. Then, always provide also support to the leg. Minimal support.
Minimal din maximum.
So, kung ang floor uneven, pwede din mo ipa-place sa imong kanila. So, yan ay
Isa ka. Tungtong.
yan, dali din sa kuha. Nakaroon mo siya yung assist. Pero ayaw lang na siya yapin. Pwede nyo demonstrate just in case you will be asked. So, in lang. For example, parang what if the floor is uneven? So, tendency is yung ipa-support ang kuan, tiil sa patients yung tiil po. Okay? So, kung ano yung position ha? Okay, so minimal support. Ang maximal ka, kita na mo ito, ganila. So, kung naka-forward na nangyayang affected, of course, ask the patient to move the left foot forward. Okay, move the left foot forward, left. Right foot forward. Okay, then push. Okay, and then, so you look straight forward. Padulong ka dito sa Maguna. Okay. And then make sure na siya dili sa center para dili mo ma-short kay kasi kung dili mo dali sa foot, ayro kay hang head sa kuan ilo. Dapat na mo dili sa middle ha. Okay, and then turn. Okay, do you feel the edge of the bed? You must answer me in English. Okay, 1, 2, 3. Okay, and then remove the gate belt.
Buhis-buhay mga photographer. Ay, naan-sound. Parang nindot yung kuha.
Hindi ko ay. Uy, naman ay suga.
Naunsa.
Abay na ko. Brown out. Sakit akong mata noon. Okay, then remove the shoes. Okay, so asa to yung affected?
Sa left.
Kini mo ni.
Left, ma'am.
So imo siya ipakuan. Cradle na. Okay. 1, 2, 3. Okay. And then that's it. You do your termination phase of your procedure. Okay. Then evaluation and then documentation. So for the documentation, you're going to document how far the patient has ambulated or about to say transfer. Asan mo siya i-transfer from bed to wheelchair, from wheelchair to commode. So or from commode to wheelchair back to the bed. So ano na ang transfer technique ha? So safety precautions always you need to observe. Thank you for being